holiday season begins, another winter COVID surge could be on the way. San Diego doctors say our current numbers are worse than they were at this time last year. ABC 10 News reporter Jared Aarons takes an in-depth look at this latest data and why experts say we could be facing another rough winter.
It's been nearly 11 months since the arrival of the first COVID-19 vaccines in San Diego. In that time, the county has been one of the country's best at vaccinations, with 81.5% of eligible people fully vaccinated and 90.2% getting at least one dose. Still, the latest COVID case numbers are actually higher right now than before the vaccines arrived.
This is exactly the setup we had last year before our December-January surge.
Dr. Seema Shah is the county medical director for epidemiology and immunizations. She says numbers have dropped from the summer's Delta surge, but they're not as low as they were in June when the state lifted restrictions from the Blueprint for Economic Recovery.
We've sort of leveled off, and if anything, we're starting to see another uptick again.
Compared to the same time frame last year, a handful of key COVID metrics are higher in San Diego County. Numbers released on October 27th showed the county's rolling 7-day average for cases at 465 per day. Last year on October 31st, that number was 360. The case rate, which tracks active cases per 100,000 residents, sits at 12.2 in the current data. A year ago, that number was 6.5. Hospital capacity is 78%. A year ago, it was 72%. Even deaths are up. 141 last month through October 26th. Last October, 100 deaths. To Dr. Shah, those comparisons are worrisome, and officials at Sharp Healthcare say it's about to get worse. They've been tracking the data analytics of patients since the pandemic began. Based on what they're seeing now, Sharp expects hospital numbers to rise 10 to 20% this winter.
We do see, unfortunately, more surges or mini surges coming, in particular, potentially even over the next 30 to 45 days.
Sharp officials say the end of government shutdowns, a return to in-person school, the Delta variant, and people getting back to their normal lives have led to higher case numbers despite the vaccine. But other numbers show if there is another winter surge, it may not be as bad as last winter. Positive test percentage is Sharp's leading indicator for the future of the pandemic. It's down. The county recorded a 2.4 positivity rate at the end of October compared to 3% a year ago.
We have certainly been riding the roller coaster over the last 18 months or so.
Meanwhile, the county is also doing twice as many tests now as last year. More tests means more people know when they're positive, so they can take precautions to stop the spread. And Dr. Christian Ramers from Family Health Centers points out the county's high vaccination rate, combined with new treatments like monoclonal antibodies, means any increase in COVID cases may not be followed by a similar increase in hospitalizations or deaths.
We're worried about cases going up, but we're also in a better spot where we think more people are protected from severe disease.
Bottom line, the doctors say the pandemic isn't over, and while they don't think another economic shutdown is necessary, they do say a continued emphasis on vaccines and personal safety will keep this winter from getting as bad as last year's. Jared Aarons, ABC 10 News.